series and parallel. So that derivation also we have to done it. Then the previous derivation is different EMF in parallel condition. Now we should moving on. Different EMF of cells are connected in series combination. How is it? Listen here, we already know series combination means negative of the first cell connected into
positive of the another cell.
I am taking two cells here. First one is this cell and the next one. This cell is in between A and B. This cell is in between B and C. So total difference is A to C. This cell have the EMF is E1, internal resistance R1. This cell have an EMF is E2, internal resistance R2. I know the potential difference across R. What is this R? External resistance, that is called as R. Maybe the R है तो potential difference across this R is V. Total resistance, total voltage. Okay, R is V. What is the expression of V? EMF minus IR. What is the meaning of IR? Resistance. So V equal to EMF minus IR. This expression we already studied in the previous topic of the chapter. V equal to EMF minus current into internal resistance. Then I am taking the potential difference across AB. Where is AB? In between this cell. Am I right? So potential difference across AB is called as VAB. What is VAB? VA minus VB. What is VA? E1 minus IR1. That is called as VAB. So here na E1 minus IR1 because V equal to E minus IR1. So VAB matlab E1 minus IR1. Clear everyone? Similarly, I just find out VBC. What is VBC? VB minus VC. Where is this B to C? Expression कैसे लिखूँगा? Normally B equal to E minus IR. In this case में B equal to
E2 minus IR2.
So VAB मिला, VBC मिला. हम लोग को क्या चाहिए? VAC चाहिए. Am I right? So I am writing like that. The potential difference across AC is called as VAC. How to write the VAC? VAC means VA minus VC. What is VA? VA minus VB plus VB minus VC. देखो VA is here, हम लोग को भी VA चाहिए. VB नेगेटिव है, VB पॉजिटिव है, कैंसिल हो जाएगा. माइनस VC बाकी है, माइनस VC. टोटल इफेक्ट क्या है? VA माइनस VC. हमें आइडिया मिला ना? So VA minus VC I am just arranging another way. That's the reason I am helped to write the simplification. और the total effect क्या है? VA minus VC. VA minus VB का आंसर आप लोगों को मालूम है ना? What is VA minus VC? VA minus VB. VA minus VB is called as VAB. VAB is this. समझ गया ना? Similarly, what is VB minus VC? VBC. VBC answer is this. So I am writing as VAC equal to VA minus VB plus VB minus VC. VA minus VB is called as VAB. E1 minus IR1. VB minus VC is called as VBC. What is VBC? E2 minus IR2. इतना clear है ना सर? कहानी इतना clear है ना? Then after that, I am just writing all the EMF combined, all the current combined. So E1 is already here. This E2 is all joining with that. So E1 plus E2 minus I को बाहर डालिए. समझ गया ना? Minus I is common in two cases. I am taking minus I in outside. Balance is R1 plus R2. This E1 plus E2 is called as E equivalent. What is the meaning of E equivalent?
Total
Cell EMF into number of cells. That is E equivalent. समझ गया? NE. What is N? Number of cells. What is E? EMF of the individual cell. So पूरा EMF कितना है? NE. That total EMF is called as E equivalent. In this case में कितना EMF है? E1 plus E2. So this E1 plus E2 is called as E equivalent. कहानी समझ गया क्या? Then next one is minus I of R1 plus R2. What is this R1 plus R2? R equivalent. What is the meaning? One cell have internal resistance small letter R. N number of cell है तो NR. So R equivalent is NR. In this case में how many internal resistance are here? R1 plus R2. So this term I can do right? R equivalent. I is already here. So मेरे को मिला VAC equal to E equivalent minus I equivalent. This is my final answer. Clear everyone?
yes miss.
समझ गया ना इस कहानी? पहले हम लोग क्या पढ़ते थे? पैरेलल का डिफरेंट EMF EMF है तो अभी हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं सीरीज में डिफरेंट EMF हाउ इज द अरेंजमेंट कॉम्बिनेशन में हम लोग क्या बोलते थे EMF सेम है तो सीरीज कैसे है पैरेलल कैसे है अभी क्या देखते थे EMF डिफरेंट है तो सीरीज कैसे है पैरेलल कैसे है डिफरेंट समझ गया ना अच्छा से पॉज द वीडियो cells that is mixed combination this is the diagram mixed combination the word meaning से आप लोगों को समझ होगा सीरीज भी है पैरेलल भी है how it will be happen listen here everyone straight your back once boys so this is my first row this is row am I right this is column okay. The first row contain n number of cells columns contain m number of columns समझ गया क्या so इधर how many cells are there n cells are there इधर कितना कॉलम है m number of columns भी so first हम लोग रो देख रहे हैं रो में कैसे है so मालूम है आप लोग को इधर देखो नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव सॉरी
लेकिन उसमें भी नेगेटिव
that is that's wrong है ना so negative to positive negative positive negative positive negative positive negative positive negative positive negative this is the right direction so negative to positive connection है series negative to positive connection series negative to positive connection series that means row में connection is series but column देखो column में all the positive in a one point all the negatives in a one point that is
Parallel.
okay first time consider the row combination each row contain number of cells is n so each cell have internal resistance r so एक ही row में कितना internal resistance है total
NR.
each cell have a EMF is E so one row में EMF कितना है
NE.
NE this is the row based information okay so एक ही row में NR भी है NE भी कितना कहानी समझ गया ना अनदर row में भी NR है NE है अनदर कॉलम में भी NR है NE है so कॉलम में देखने का टाइम एक ही रो को एनी वन को कितना EMF है NE EMF है समझ गया कहानी में क्या बोल रहे हैं रो में वन सेल हैव ए EMF इज E कॉलम में वन सेल हैव ए EMF इज NE क्या समझ गया आइडिया समझ गया ना मानसी ओके सो EMF इज NE one row have EMF is NE how many rows are there m number of row so parallel combination है so connection कैसे करूँगा 1 by r equal to 1 by nr plus 1 by nr plus कितना है m number of so that means 1 by r equal to m by nr so r equal to nr by m what is this effective resistance otherwise net resistance otherwise parallel resistance otherwise total resistance otherwise equivalent resistance these are the words commonly used okay this r is here nr by m so मेरे को total r मिला total EMF I already know NE is the total EMF I want to find out current what is the current net EMF divided by effective resistance what is net EMF NE divided by what is effective resistance external resistance is here that R plus अभी हम लोग को मिला ना एक resistor that R that means NR divided by M so just to rearrange this one this N is coming from the numerator so I equal to M NE divided by this M is multiply here also simplification का time है so MR plus NR मिला what is this total current of a mixed cell combination I hope you can understand this आप लोग को समझ करने के लिए 2-3 पेंसिल्स पेन्स दे दो मेरे को some students have a doubt अभी भी थोड़ा सा मिला थोड़ा सा भी समझ करने के लिए देख लीजिए suppose all these things are cell ले सोचो first cell second cell third cell like that all the cells are arranged in series तेरा series में arrange करते हैं ठीक है ना this is the first row है this is which connection है
Series connection.
this is the first row second row third row like that so row में कितना cells है n cells column में कितना है m अभी आइडिया मिला this is series these are parallel so इसका one cell में internal resistance R EMF सो टोटल रो में कितना है
NE.
NR. सो वन में NR, दूसरे में भी NR, तीसरे में भी NR. सो पैरेलल का इफेक्ट कैसे हो जाएगा 1/R = 1/NR प्लस लाइक दैट. अभी आइडिया मिला? अभी क्लियर है ना? 3 डायमेंशन में समझ गया ना? फर्स्ट रो, सेकंड रो, थर्ड रो, n number of rows. One row contain n number of cells. Columns contain m number of rows. अब आइडिया मिल रहा है ना? थोड़ा सा समझ आ गया क्या? नहीं है तो नहीं बोलो, है तो है बोलो. आ गया?
Yes, miss.
क्लियर?
Yes, miss.
एक शीट पेपर दे दो. आई एम नॉट सेटिस्फाइड. शीट पेपर मेरे पास है. आपका फेस देखिए, मेरे को कुछ नहीं यार. देख लीजिए इस पेपर में फर्स्ट सेल, this first hole is first cell, second hole is
Second cell.
third cell, fourth cell. इस टाइप से n cells है. इसका हाल समझ गया क्या?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So one cell have a R, EMF E, internal resistance R. Second contain E R. Third cell E R. So total N है तो NE NR. देख लीजिए आप लोग. फर्स्ट सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन E R E R E R. टोटल में NE NR. इसका हाल ठीक है ना? So this is the series combination. We already know. I am taking this much of another lines also. Also the video please. Listen here everyone, 12A. So first ER 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 NENR. Second ER 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 NENR. Third ER 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 NENR. इस टाइप से कितना है?
M number.
अभी 3 मेरा पेपर में how many are there?
M number.
All these positive are connected here. All these negatives are connected here. अभी कहानी क्लियर है ना? So first series में total EMF is NE, total internal resistance is
NR.
अगर चाहो गुड मॉर्निंग अच्छे से बैठो ना. देन पैरेलल में रेसिस्टेंस चेंज हो जाएगा. वन रो में NR है, सो 1/NR प्लस 1/NR. इस टाइप से कितना टाइम है?
M times.
सो M/NR दैट इज 1/R. सो R इक्वल टू
NR by M.
दैट इज द R. इफेक्टिव EMF मालूम है NE. सो NE by M/NR plus this R also. This external R is also called as load. मालूम है ना? So load एक word देखते हैं तो what is that? External resistance.
Resistance.
ठीक है ना? Almost कहानी क्लियर है ना? Okay, pause the video please.